Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babycat token. Now the Babycat token just had a pre-sale on Pinksale.finance. Then it was just announced that they're going to be listed on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the Babycat token, how you can get it, and see if there's any security issues in their audit or their quick audit or anything like that. We're going to look at all the info on this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is still on pre-sale right now. They are trending number 5 right now on Pinksale.finance. They've already raised 473.4 SOL, which is $85,000. They have about half a day left of this pre-sale, so they got a lot to go still. Now, they have a full audit by Rug-Free Coins, which is great. Now, they have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to Pinksale. And better than that, they also have the Docs badge on Pinksale, which means you can click on that. That will take you over to a YouTube video where their team is doxed in the video. And they also do Ask Me Anything. So they have the Ask Me Anything badge. So they got 4 Pinksale badges, so that's great to see. And Bitmart listing is confirmed. It says that on Pinksale, and I also verified that by going to Bitmart's Twitter, and they did announce that they will be listing the Babycat token soon on Bitmart. So it says, surely everyone here is no stranger to Baby Doge. That's right, we will bring the cat investment opportunity back, and even stronger with Babycat. And they have here, it says experienced based team. No team allocation for the tokens. They're going to have trending on SolScan, Birdeye, Dex Tools, Aave, etc. 145 times in the last project. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, renounced ownership, top callers and influencers, central exchange listings on BitGet, Bitmart, P2B, and then MEXC Global as well. I do have an MEXC Global referral code in the description box if you want to check that out. They've had 538 investors contribute to this pre-sale so far, so it's doing very well. It's a public pre-sale. Anybody can get involved. It's still going right now. You'll find this token most likely trending right now. It's trending number 5. So there's 9 decimal places on this token. Name of the token is Babycat, and that is also the ticker symbol. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale, it'll also go over to Raydium. You'll be able to get it by funding your Phantom wallet or Solflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Babycat token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, babycat.ai. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Pre-sale ends exactly April 3rd, 14 hours UTC time. So they have a token metrics allocation pie chart here, and it basically says 47.15% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 22.84% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 30% goes to the BitGet order book. Now, if we check out their Rug-Free Coins audit, you can click on the audit. It'll take you over there. Then if you want to see the full audit report, You click on Audit Report. It also says Babycat is a cat-themed token that focuses on community decentralization and adoption. Babycat is designed to make meme coins great again. Zero taxes, LP locked. Babycat is for the people, always fueled by the pure meme power. Babycat will lead the way. So yeah, just click on Audit Reports. That will take you to another page here where you can check it out. And it says here, disclaimer, goes over a big disclaimer, background. It's got their soul scan on there so you can verify the contract address. And then you got to click on more pages. So many unnecessary pages on here. 0% buy and sell tax, so they do confirm that on their audit there. And I keep so much scrolling on here. So they got 9 out of 10s on most things, so not perfect. It says potential to grow with score points. So 9 out of 10 on most things. They got 10 out of 10 on one thing, and then it says total score 9.1 out of 10. And yeah, so just scrolling through, more pages, too many pages. Get to the point here. So it says no high severity issues found, no medium severity issues found, and then no low severity issues found. And it says the token Babycat under the ownership of the account with the address of, and then it has the address, and currently holds a substantial supply of Babycat tokens. After the deployment, all tokens were centralized into a specific account. As a result, this address currently holds 100% of the total supply. The consolidation of the entire token supply is one address raises significant concerns regarding centralization within the tokens ecosystem. This situation introduces the potential risk of market manipulation and could lead to adverse consequences, jeopardizing the decentralized nature of the token and overall health of the ecosystem. So just be aware of that. So they have passed almost everything here except for high risk on centralization risk correlation to the active owner. So they're basically saying contract is not fully renounced, and they basically, they didn't lock liquidity and burn supply, that type of thing. So just be aware of that. That could lead to a potential rug. So I would, if you bought the pre-sale, you already bought the pre-sale. But after the pre-sale's over, I would make sure that, liquidity is locked and burned. As soon as it goes live, I would go to Dex Tools, Dex Screener, copy paste the token address that you can find on Pinksale, and make sure liquidity is locked and burned. Okay, so yeah. And then they passed their light audit, which you could find by Block Seifu in the discussion section on Pinksale. So that's fine. We can go over the info on their webpage. Very much just a meme token, though. Babycat, the most memeable meme coin in existence. The dogs have had their day. It's now time for Babycat to reign. And they have frequently asked questions like how much is tax? There's no taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. How do you buy? I already explained on Raydium. It says, we burnt all LP tokens, therefore we cannot pull liquidity, but their audit differs. So just be aware of that. Even though they said that on their page, their audit has a huge warning on there. So that's why just because they have an audit doesn't mean it's perfect. Always check the audit. They can make any sort of claim they want on their webpage or on their Pinksale written page there, but check the audit to make sure. Now, just be aware that, hopefully once the token finishes pre-sale that they lock the liquidity. Verify that. Now, they have a support email at the bottom of the page. You can ask questions. They have a full white paper, Telegram, Twitter. Their Telegram is at Babycat Sold. They have 2,369 members on there. And then they also have a Twitter that you can find at Babycat Soul. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen. 1,343 followers. But it's been a Twitter that's been around since May 2009. So, I always see this one guy, too, that doing those videos and those Pinksale things. Like, this guy, with the beard and the somewhat of an afro thing going on there, the puffy hairdo. that dude is always on Pinksale tokens. Not always, but there's a couple other people. There's some guy with like a ram's head or something. There's a couple other people that I guess, I don't know if they're paid or not, but they're always doing these pre-sale things. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know who that guy is, but I've never checked out his channel. Maybe I will. But yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.